Once again, it's pizza time. Before we get to each individual pizza, here's how to make the sauce for all of them. What you want to do is add a 28-ounce can of tomato sauce, add a tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic that has been minced, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, at least a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I usually go a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half. A teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and give this a stir around. Then turn the crock pot on low and let it hang out on the counter for a couple of hours. All right, let's start making pizza. Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have the Hot Chick Pizza. As you can see, I've got some sauce on my pizza crust. And the pizza crust I've been using is the standard crust that I've made 100,000 times on the show. I'll link a video that shows how to make it. So here we have some chicken breasts that I've obviously ripped up, and we're just gonna lay this on our pizza. All right, and then we're gonna add some mozzarella cheese. And then we're going to add some bacon pieces, because bacon makes everything better. And then a good, healthy dousing of my buffalo ranch sauce, which I made just by combining a half a cup of ranch dressing and a 1/4 cup of buffalo sauce, mixed it together. Then we're going to pop this pizza in the oven at 550 degrees, or as high as your oven goes, for 8 to 9 minutes. All right, 8 or 9 minutes in the oven has passed, and just carve it up. So that's the Hot Chick Pizza. Done.